CEO Experiment Lab. And today we have a cool experiment for you guys. We're gonna be doing the water bottle trick.
For this experiment, you're gonna need a funnel, water, a water bottle, and a thumbtack. Now we're gonna start the experiment. So first, you're gonna get your thumbtack and poke at least 3 holes into the bottle, but we already did that, so we're gonna put this aside.
But you can't really see it.
Yeah, you can't really see it.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna open up our bottle and then put our funnel inside.
And then we're gonna get our water.
Put our water in.
Pour it in.
Ah!
Sorry.
That's just,
Okay, that's enough.
okay, that's
So
enough.
now we're gonna put our cap in so that it doesn't. So guys, the water was spilling before when we put the water in, but when we capped it, it wasn't spilling anymore.
When I take the cap off, the water spills through the holes because of air pressure and gravity. When I put the cap back on, it doesn't spill through the holes because there's no more air pressure and gravity anymore. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video. Bye! Okay, this is my water now.